Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to see your liked post on Instagram. Go to your Instagram app and go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Look for the three stripes menu on the upper right corner and click your activity. Look for interactions and choose what kind of interactions you want to look back. So for in this video, we choose the likes. All of the previous likes you click on Instagram will appear, and you can also unlike or view again the liked post. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe.